So in today's video, I'll show you guys how I make my emulsified scrub. This is a very nice scrub that you can use on your skin, on your face. It is very gentle, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this at home with simple ingredients. And first of all, we're going to start by measuring out our emulsifiers. We're going to use cetyl alcohol and e-wax. So I'm using 10 grams of e-wax and 10 grams of cetyl alcohol. So these two things are emulsifiers, and this will help you bind oils and water together. That's the main function of emulsifiers. So this is what it looks like, in case you're wondering. Now I am going to add my carrot oil to this, and as you can see, I am using 1 tablespoon of carrot oil. Now I told you guys that this scrub is going to be gentle for your skin, like for your face and your body. I am blending my sugar. I'm not blending this into a powdered form. I'm just trying to make it less grainy like a normal sugar would be. So you just have to blend this for a little while. Then I am going to add my honey and cashew soap to this. I used 20 grams of honey and 30 grams of my liquid soap, my cashew soap, making it 50 grams. And then I added it to my sugar, but before I did this, I had to heat my sugar up a little bit, and like heat it up but don't allow it to burn. And then I poured in my e-wax and cetyl alcohol, and I started mixing it up together. Now you have to mix this as fast as possible, because if you don't and the e-wax and cetyl alcohol starts cooling down, it's going to become a disaster. Like, it's going to mess the whole thing up. So you have to mix this up as fast as possible. Now this is what it looks like after mixing it up. You can see that the texture has changed. Now I added some oils to this, and I used a total of 20 grams of oil, and I used sunflower oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, and tea tree oil. So all these oils, I measure it up to 20 grams, and you're going to mix and mix. You can see this looks so nice, and it smells so nice as well, because I added vanilla fragrance, and I now added my liquid German plus preservative. So this is what it looks like. Trust me, this recipe has not failed me anytime, and it's very easy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.